decided to leave Cold Land and try to find a cure for the sneezes.
Achoo. 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 Achoo.
He walked and sneezed and walked his way across Cold Land, and then he sneezed and walked and sneezed for days and days until Cold Land was far behind. As he walked away from Cold Land, he noticed that there was less and less snow. And eventually, he walked so far that there was no snow at all. And as he walked, he noticed something else. He wasn't walking and sneezing, he was walking and
Joey, if you are hearing this, please come back. I am sorry for what I have done. I haven't seen you in over a decade. So please, forgive me.
and muttered some magic words, which wouldn't be magic if you knew what they were. Whatever those magic words were, they worked. For you could say sneeze. Both the wizard and Mr. Sneeze were transported to Shivertown, which you will remember is the capital of Cold Land.